Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping in and hanging out with us for a while. We're over here at our neighbor's house. He called me about a week or so back and said he had a black walnut that had blown down and wanted to know if I was interested in it. And I told him, of course I was, and I would come over and get it cut up. I think there's going to be a couple of decent saw logs down there, but all this top and everything, I'm going to cut it up for firewood. So it's a little bit smaller, be a little more manageable, but yeah, it'll make a little bit of firewood. And like I said, this trunk down here, it'll make a couple of decent looking little saw logs. It's probably, I don't know, 16 inches in diameter, but it's pretty straight. So we'll try to salvage most of that for saw logs and then start right here and get the rest of it for firewood. So don't have a whole lot of time this evening to work on it, but I want to try to get done what I can this evening and then at least get everything de-limbed and kind of get that part started and kind of get it cleared down to where I can see what I'm working with. But yeah, that's our plan for the evening. We'll see how it goes. I got my long sleeves on because there's some poison oak on it, so definitely don't want to get into that. But yeah, let's see what we can get done on this before it gets too late in the evening. So stick around, guys. I do want to talk to you about a kind of a serious health note, and I only going over this because most everyone that watches these videos could be affected by this. So I've been kind of sick for the last going on 3 weeks, almost a month. So it turns out a week and a half ago I got word back from some of my blood work, and turns out I had Lyme's disease. So of course that comes from tick bites, and weird thing is I can't look back and remember ever having a tick buried in me, over the last month, because usually they make me itch really bad when they bury their head in. But I found out that they don't have to bury in. All I have to do is bite you and leave, and you can get it. So just be mindful of that. Make sure you're spraying some bug repellent on or something. 'Cause man, it's been hard on me. It has really taken a toll on me, and I'm still not back to 100%. Just this little bit that I've been doing this evening it's winded me, and that's not usually me. But I ran a fever for like almost 2 weeks straight, like 101, 102 degree fever, and just aching and chills and almost like the flu. And I just wanted to, I made sure to have my doctor, when I went and saw them about the fevers, I said, can you do me a favor and go ahead and just check for, tick-borne diseases? And they're like, sure, it may take a couple weeks to get the blood work back, but we'll go ahead and do it. And I'm like, that sounds good. But sure enough, that's what it is. So I'm trying to get better from it, but man, it's been a tough deal. So just take care of yourself, guys. Well, we got a little bit of firewood rounds in the trailer to go home. Got most of this top de-limbed. I think most of this here can clean up with a tractor, make one big brush pile to get rid of or burn, and I'll cut up what's left of this another evening, and I'll get out the 462 for it. It's a little bit bigger, but yeah, it was good to get out just for a little while this evening, get a little bit of something done, and just get outside. So I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. We'll see y'all.